fish on. You got him something big here on that ultralight. Hey, I'm gonna try. Hey, right here, you're gonna have to get in front of my. You see where the net's at, sticking up? You're gonna have to unfold it. And then when you get a chance, hang on to my boat there, and get a chance there, man. Throw that other stuff up there on the. Yeah, pull it out, lock it in. Yeah, he's got a hogger there. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, nice hog. Oh, we got video. Let me take a picture.